welcome at TRACKTS 2016. I'm here with Thönnissen from Videojet. Welcome.
Good morning, thank you.
You're a pharma sales manager at Videojet. Could you briefly tell us something about yourself and about your job?
Yeah, I'm for 2 years now working for Videojet, and for 2 years they founded a special department to address specific pharmaceutical companies' needs. Mm-hmm. So Videojet is a global leader in industrial coding and solution technologies worldwide. And because of the upcoming regulations and requirements, we focus on also in setting up and developing a specific organization who addresses customers' needs.
Yes. And which tasks are you facing at the moment?
I'm mainly working not directly with pharmaceutical companies. This is a charge or the responsibility of my team. I'm in contact with the leading system integrators, track and trace solution companies, and machine manufacturers who are delivering their solutions, their products to the pharmaceutical industry.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. And which challenges do you see there with your clients and the people you work with?
That they have not a consistent set of solutions in these different production plants. This is the main task which is addressed to us is really to find out, to help them to figure out the most suitable coding solution for their specific production needs. Mm-hmm. And this differs in terms of products, which has to be coded, and also production line speed and various factors. Yes. And then to get these products integrated seamlessly more or less in the overall track and trace solution and above that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. How exactly do you help your clients to overcome those challenges?
In doing really concrete several product testings, mm-hmm. just to take it simple. So they tell us what is the specific application, what kind of limitation factors or limiting factors we have to consider or they have to respect. And then we, out of our experience, can already suggest some most feasible solutions or the most feasible solutions, but then we do run really concrete individual tests.
Yes. Yeah. What will you talk about here at your session at Track and Trace?
Yeah, this is already the topic I'm going to talk about. This is very much underestimated. So if you do think of coding machines, you think of thermal inkjet printers, you think of laser systems or thermal transfer overprint systems. So there's a wide range of products which you can use in general to do the coding on your product. But if it comes to also the specific requirements, you have to respect as a pharmaceutical company in regards to the regulation that the code printed on your product has to be readable, machine readable over at minimum 5 years time or 1 year after expiry date. Then it becomes already difficult to find the right combination of cardboard, for instance, with the best suitable ink for your product. Yeah, and also depending on the line speed you have to deal with. Mm-hmm. So this is very often underestimated, and at a later stage, when it's more already decided with which track and trace solution partners or machine manufacturers you are going to run this product, to realize this product, then it's detected that it's not always the optimal solution in terms of ink and coding system and this kind of stuff. Yeah. So it's really much recommended from our side, out of this experience, that you do this kind of analysis very, very, very soon or very early in the project. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And there, with this subject, we do help our partners and also to check whether their existing cardboard, because they do not produce new products just now, they have it in production for years, whether there's a need to possibly modify or to change the cardboard or the mixture of their product packaging. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, sounds interesting and quite challenging. Mm-hmm. So, what brings you exactly here today? What are your expectations regarding knowledge exchange, and where do you think, okay, this might be also something new that I would like to learn to get an insight into specific subjects?
Yeah, this is exactly coming back to the point I just mentioned. We, especially at the beginning of this year, we run a deep analysis with various different kind of papers. The most distributed ones are used in the pharma industry, with different machines and different also ink types, and we need to show what impacts the right mixture in terms of drying time. This directly stands in context with the to be respected or to be how to say the planned production line speed, for instance. What kind of grading results you can achieve with a certain set of ink and paper stock. And we have really an experienced laboratory behind us who can run this specific individual test for pharmaceutical companies at a very early stage. Yeah. Not to be surprised afterwards when it's more or less meant to be closed, and then at the FAT or SATs they do realize, oh, it doesn't work as expected or as needed. Yeah.
Also, I hope you get some interesting exchange there. And what has been your first impression of the conference so far?
It's really a wide set of interesting people coming here. It's from the pharmaceutical industry, it's from solution partners, from software companies, for the companies who also are helping to get all this data loaded and uploaded in the different hubs. I'm very excited that this will be 2 very interesting, fruitful days.
Okay, well, I hope you really enjoy the conference and hope to see you next year too, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.